Empathy matters to me in a presidential candidate. The more empathetic you are, the more you are able to push and pull with people and truly like understand what's best for everybody as a country.
My greatest value is someone who can keep their word and someone who's transparent with their citizens.
Well, where I live in the Appalachian Mountains, I have saw politics, either make a very positive impact in our economy or a very negative impact. So I look for a president who will think of the little people in the equation too.
Gotta go with bold/visionary. Like, if I'm going to have someone lead me, I want them to lead me to like a great place, not just like like I want to go to like this beautiful meadow, not some like outdoor park.
And I think being a strong communicator, I would say secondly, is extremely important.
And also resilience is very important because as a president or as a leader, not everyone is going to like you.
I really liked resilient. I totally understand where you're coming from with like flexible and adaptable, especially in today's day and age, because you have to be able to adapt. I also want to see more representation that's like me within that executive position, because there has never really been a woman or a woman like me, an Indigenous woman. It was really cool to actually be with people from like all over the country and to see like sort of where others are coming from. And it really surprised me how easy it was for us to agree.
We all play a role in what this country looks like and the shape of it and the vision for it. And I think it's extremely important for every American to recognize that.
And I wish that a lot of other people my age could have this experience, because I feel like that they would see that if you remove candidates and if you remove parties from the situation, I feel like as an age group, we have a general consensus. We feel a certain way. We know the things we want in this country. And if we would all actually show up in November, and if we would all actually show up every November after that, it would make a difference.